Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a fly rod. First, take your rod sections, typically 2 to 4 pieces, and connect them firmly, ensuring a snug fit. Next, carefully align all the guides so they form a perfectly straight line down the rod. Finally, attach your fly reel to the rod's reel seat, tightening the locking rings until it's secure and won't wobble. This foundational step ensures your rod is ready for the next stages of preparation. Now that your rod is assembled, it's time to thread the fly line. Begin by pulling a generous amount of fly line from your reel, perhaps 10 to 15 feet, and pass it through the stripping guide, which is the largest guide closest to the reel. Continue threading the line through every single guide, all the way to the tip of the rod. Make sure the line runs freely and smoothly, without any twists or snags, preparing it for casting. With your fly line threaded, the next step is to attach your leader and tip it. First, connect the tapered leader to the fly line. A loop-to-loop connection is often easiest, but a nail knot provides a very strong bond. Then, add a section of tippet material, usually 2 to 4 feet in length, to the end of your leader. A surgeon's knot or a blood knot are excellent choices for this connection, ensuring strength and smooth turnover for your fly. Finally, it's time to tie on your fly. Choose a fly pattern that matches the insects or baitfish your target species is feeding on. Once selected, securely tie the fly to the very end of your tippet. Popular knots include the improved clinch knot or the Davy knot, both offering excellent strength. After tying, give the fly a gentle but firm tug to ensure the knot is secure. Now, your fly rod is fully set up and ready for day of fishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.